Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to import some free icons to Supernote. As some of you may know, we're in the process of building a tool to import handwriting generated by other e-ink devices through PDF. This tool is still in development to auto-detect and remove template patterns, but we can already use it to import handwriting generated without template, to import scanned notes, or for this demo, some icons. Contrary to the text-to-pen strokes functionalities that is already in PySN, the input here is not text but graphical content. By graphical, I mean light media content such as handwriting images or simple drawings, like this example where the note file was created from a scanned paper note. It will struggle with more complex images. It's in development, but if you want to play with it before its official release, look for the maintainer branch, version 1.29 or later. All right, a quick look at the settings. There's a new parameter called import2sn. That's the string that must be included in the path of PDF documents you want to convert to the Supernote.note format. For this demo, I have created a folder import2sn under Documents. Okay, let's head to the Adobe stock webpage and look for sport-related simple free icons. Let's download the JPEG version. Now, though behind the wheels PySN converts images, at this time it assumes that the import is in the PDF format. So let me convert this JPEG to PDF. Here we go. And now I upload to the import2sn folder, then I launch PySN. This is a CPU-intensive process, and I may dedicate a short paragraph in an upcoming video about why that's the case. I'm not fast-forwarding here, and that's so you can see the time it takes for that little page. Okay, we are done. By the way, we are working on a script to automatically render the ephemeral images used for the thumbnails. But for the time being, we still need to switch to landscape and dot. And here we go. A free new set of sports icons you can use in any notebook. To accomplish the same results, 2 months ago, I needed to use my ADB pen stroke simulation tool that only works on a rooted Supernote and is much slower. Okay, that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button for more exciting announcements. Stay tuned.